Hi, it's the long weekend, so I'm getting you another video. Exciting as that might be to all 9 of you that watch, thanks a lot. But today I'm going to start a little bit differently. I'm going to show you a bit of my library, okay? So we'll have a look here. Oh, look at my face. Hang on. There we go. A bit down there, a bit up here, and a bit over here. Okay, I hope that helps you realize that I do read a bit. I don't read a lot, probably less than some, more than others, but I I do like to read to sometimes and learn about new stuff. Brain stuff really interests me, and I'm really interested in personality now, thanks to Dr. Jordan Peterson. So today we're talking about his lecture on conscientiousness, which involves two trait factors: industriousness and orderliness. People that are industrious uh, don't waste time. They make plans. They get down to work. They finish projects. They don't procrastinate, but they are informed about what they do, what they're doing, and they are focused. I know people like this. They are a pleasure to work with. They are. It's down to business. It's a good way of putting it. Get down to work. Let's not fool around. Let's just get things done. That's industriousness. Now, the other factor is orderliness. People that are orderly are tidy. They're on schedule. They like routine. They like things put back in their place. Um, they're detail oriented. Also, one thing that's kind of that I personally can relate to is someone that is bothered by orderly messiness. Sorry, so not bothered in the way that they find it uh, gross, but I mean bothered in the way that um, it's just people like me with bothered by messiness. They don't understand why things don't get put back where they should be, or picked up and thrown in the trash, for instance. I was brought up to put things back where I got them. That way I won't lose them. And so I guess that's more my upbringing, environment versus inheritance. I guess inherited versus environment. Yeah. So um, that's a that can be contentious as well as other things. When speaking of contentious, last lecture I talked about agreeableness and the factors that agreeableness on one end could be on the most people are in the middle of the bell curve, but on the one end you have people that are highly disagreeable, and you have your criminals. People on the other end that are highly disagreeable or highly agreeable can actually turn out to be Prime Minister of Canada, but that is something else altogether. Underneath in orderliness is disgust sensitivity. Now, I, actually, Hitler had a disgust sensitivity that if you see pictures and video of Nazi Germany, you'll see all the soldiers in long rows and everything. And everything was right angles and orderly like that. So, in a way, it started out, and Peterson told this great story of this book from Hitler's Table Talk. Yeah, and he's done some research on Nazi Germany. So he talked about Hitler's when he began to cleanse Germany. It wasn't that he put up the concentration camps and away we go, just like that. He started uh, by cleaning up the hospitals, which seems like a good thing, right? You want your hospitals to be free of pathogens and bacteria, and helps people get rid of parasites and and be a healthy environment, right? Well, then he went on to declare that people that were not um, healthy, so the disabled, people that he decided were disgusting, were people that were homosexual and people that were Jewish. and he described them as plague on society and things like that. So plagues are something that people are disgusted by. So he almost rationalized his extermination of Jewish people, the homosexuals, and the disabled, which the homosexual community and the disabled community are people that are often forgotten when it comes to the Holocaust. So it's a Jewish thing, yes, but homosexuality and disability, people with disabilities were exterminated as well because they were seen as less than the ideal of the Aryan nation. Okay, so people that have high disgust sensitivity also can be anorexic and have people that are anorexic are uncomfortable, not uncomfortable with their body, but the body that they have, they seem really disgusted by it. People that have OCD also fall in that disgust sensitivity area, and they don't like disease. They find bacteria. They wash their hands a lot and can wash their hands 30, 40 times a day. Okay, so that's a little background on disgust sensitivity, conscientiousness, which involves industriousness and orderliness. Like, subscribe, please. The five-factor model. We'll use CANOE this time: conscientiousness, agreeableness, neuroticism, openness, and extroversion. Okay, so that's our 5 ways. And Ocean, you can use that as well. Do the same way. And I enjoyed doing this for you, and hope you learn something. And you can help me learn too. Please leave some comments and let me know if this was of any help to you. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.